Hello! Hi there!
Hello, I see you. I got some friends for you. And you, and all of you.
Okay, right. Let us start with these. These are E46. Here you guys can see E46 lower control arms, which is going to be fitted onto Eric. And then we also have here tie rod ends, which is also going on Eric. And these as well. So let us start. So this needs to come out. This two units here and the lower control arms, but I don't think this stuff was ever loosened before, so it's going to be quite a mission to get it out.
But it's not problem, my friend. Look here.
Yes, brother, we've got proper tools, brother. Thank you, Leon, brother. So basically what happens now is we need to loosen that part over there.
You
but
see guys, in here, ne, it looks like here. You see this groove here, ne?
Yeah, that
There's a groove on both sides. So what you need to do is find a spindle that goes over here, ne? And I'm gonna clamp it here so I can turn this whole thing loose.
But now we don't have that size spanner is the problem though.
Yeah, but we make plan, don't
We make plan, vice grip fix everything. Also do bear in mind we've never done this before, so this is the first time working on Eric's suspension, this part of the suspension, so this is all new to us. We've watched some YouTube videos and stuff like that, but it doesn't equate to actually trying it out yourself for the first time. So you watching it for the first time and you watching us doing it for the first time is like, okay, wait, I've been tongue twisted right there. Let's hope the vice grip is gonna work. Okay, right, let's see. So I got that out, so this basically turns in here.
Yes.
Right, so the lower control arm is fitted, but there's an issue. This lollipop from the E46 does not line up with the original one from the E30 chassis. As you can see, that is where the other bolt goes through. So what we're gonna need to do is, here you can see the difference between the old one and the new one. We'll have to take the old one, the new one's lollipop off and put the E30 ones on. But now I'm gonna first buy brand new ones tomorrow, and then take these ones off and then put a brand new E30 lollipop on here, which what I saw from YouTube, that is basically what they do. Thank you Rangers for the bushings that I need. Huzzah. Let's go. Passenger princess. Okay, right, let us go home. Here. Okay, right, POV, point of view, what is actually happening at the moment. So we need to try and get this off, and yeah, show them there. Okay, right, and then where's the impact? The impact is over there. Oh yeah. Okay, right. Okay, so after some gesukkery, we eventually got it off. So now we're gonna take the other control arm off and do the same. It's full house, there's no electricity. Thank you, Eskom. We are still busy with the suspension setup, and we've got our friend Joker here in the house who's going to be helping us change the oil pump on Eric. What's up?
I fitted the 411 duff in the bucket because my 4392 was army, only to find that the 411 was actually locked. Good news and bad news. Good news is fun, but bad news, tires won't last.
The tires is already not lasting. So as you guys recall, I went to Rangers to go buy the bushers, and I've now fitted it. I still need to finish this one. Remember, this one is already in though, as you guys can see there. And then I need to grind. I need to grind this part of the lower control arm because it doesn't fit in here, you see. So I need to grind this a bit smaller in order for that to fit over there.
So Joker finally got the sump off. And then the plan is to replace the oil pump. And lo and behold, this man actually took a sump off without removing the engine. And that was the initial plan. But it's not like it was Tuesday.
Why are you screaming? Shh. Anyway, as I was busy explaining here, so I cut this cup off on this strut. The reason why I did that is so that the adjuster can fit nicely over here and there's more space to turn the adjuster where if the cup is on, my tongue is getting twisted, and then the adjuster sits here inside and it's more difficult to turn. So I'm just gonna cut this one off, and then as they're busy finishing up right there, I'm gonna start assembling here. Okay, right, I'm now really tired actually, so we're probably gonna pack up now. The brand new oil pump is fitted. I still need to fit the rest of the suspension, but I'm gonna do that tomorrow because I do wanna spray the strut towers and all that. So we'll continue further, guys. So we are gonna spray the struts blue, but I'm just giving it a white undercoat quickly. I was gonna cover the bearing, but that we have to replace with brand new ones, but that needs to be pressed, so we're gonna do that at another stage. Thank you once again to Tegan at King's Auto Spares. Bruh, your help is so highly appreciated, bro. Without you, this would have not been possible. Big shout out to Tegan right there, guys. Okay, right, so let us fit this side's lower control arm. Yeah. Once again, bad lighting. I need a light. The light was in the car somewhere. Okay, so now we can see if my DIY E32 E46 lower control arm conversion is gonna work, which I have full 100% faith that it will. So yeah. Okay, so there, as you can see, those two bolts has been fitted. So now we just need to tighten. Where's this bolt now? I can't see it. That's my techie. Torque it down. Okay, right. So the problem that we're having right now is we need to basically get both wheels straight, so we need to adjust the tie rod ends, but it's a bit of a mission at this point. So we're tired and we probably gonna now pack up and call it tonight. So yeah. Right, so where we left off was, wait, let me just make this a bit brighter. The tie rod ends, we had to adjust it, but after seeing that if the wheel is straight and all that, if you adjust it to its max, that both wheels are still facing inwards. So in other words, the tie rod ends are too short, so now I'm going to take them out and make them longer. How I'm going to do that, you might ask yourself. Let me show you. So what's going to happen is, I'm going to cut it off here in the middle. And I'm going to have these bushes that I had made, Shukran Imran. And I'm going to put it in there. And then we're going to lengthen this basically. Then I'm just going to weld this over that. And then have it fitted back. And then that should basically solve our problem. So now that the two pieces are cut, all you gotta do is take your bush and put it over here. It's a nice fit actually. So basically that is basically what you're gonna end up with. So now you're gonna have to weld it this point and this point. Alright, so now the stuff is welded and we can now get back to fitting it and finishing the rest of it off. Okay, right. Okay, so this side is done. So I managed to get both wheels more or less straight, which was kind of a headache. So now all that's left to do is put the wheels on, check if they're actually straight, and then check the turning angle. It's tightened. Yeah. So right, let's check the turning angle. Oh, the steering is a bit skew and what? Ah, that side is straight. Let us lock the steering. Ooh, look at this turning angle. My bro! Bruh, this compared to the standard turning angle is way more hectic. Plus now what's cool is you can actually see the color of the strut tower. Bruh, this looks so cool. Check the other side. What's Ow! Eric buddy. Nah, quite. Plus the blue and the yellow calipers really look nice though. So I just took Eric off the jack stands now, and my guy, the car is much lower than what it was previously, and the amount of camber it has, bro, it's insane. But it looks good though, I'm not gonna lie. So right, next thing to do is I just need to take off the oil filter. Right, I need to take off the oil filter and put in the new oil, and then we can check where the oil pressures lie.